Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I am here today to share with you a preview of the August Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box. I'm very excited for this themed recipe box. If you are new to my channel, I love to bring you the best tips and tools for creating beautiful home decor on a budget. And once a month, I also bring you essential oil recipe box to share with you how you can help make your home as toxin-free as possible to live your healthiest, best life. So what I like to do is show you what comes in the coming month's box. If you're interested in subscribing to the essential oil recipe boxes, that information can be found in the description box below, along with my discount code that will give you $40 off of your second purchase. So with all that being said, let's get into what is in the August 2020 essential oil recipe box. All right, so we always get a little note from the aromatherapist kind of telling what this month's box is about. The theme of this month's box is Hey Beautiful. You are beautifully and wonderfully made. Who you are is beautiful. Let your natural beauty shine with recipes from this month's box. Okay, so gives you a little bit of an idea of what's going to be in here. Now, there's always a card that explains the 4 oils that are in the month's box. These are full 15 milliliter size oil bottles that have, let's see, 300 drops in them. So the first is a blend called Citrus Burst. Wait, is it a blend? Let's see. I'm going to check it out. Yes, it has lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, and bergamot essential oils. That just sounds really clean and energizing, and that's what it says. Enjoy a citrus burst to freshen, clean, and promote energy. I know you can also clean with some of those citrus oils. Next is grapefruit. Grapefruit is great for uplifting, energizing, and balancing oily skin. You do always want to dilute it before you use it on the skin. Also, if you've never seen these before, it does give you information for kid safety, pregnancy safety, cat and dog safety. So here is grapefruit. The oil comes from the peel, and it's a sweet, citrusy, and fresh aroma. Next is copaiba, which is used for calming, soothing, and to reduce inflammation. So that's great. Let's see. Originates from Brazil. It has a warm and resinous smell, and we will be using that today in some of our recipes. And the last one is juniper berry. Juniper berry is also great for energy and soothing inflammation. And this is originated in India. That's really cool. It's a fresh and evergreen scent. So you always get 4 full-size oils in your monthly box, and then you also get other items that you need to make the recipes. So this is a little amber plastic spray bottle. These are really cool. I've never seen these before. These are recycled, like cardboard lip balm tubes, I believe. You get 2 of those and some 100% cotton rounds, quilted. So that kind of gives you a little, maybe a few clues as to what the recipes will be. Let's see what the recipes are in this box. You always get 6 recipes, okay? Now the recipes you make with items in the box, and you also will probably need items from your bonus box. Now when you order your first subscription box, you also get a bonus box with that first subscription that contains these things: a 12-ounce of cold pressed pure coconut oil that you will use in some of the recipes. You get a liquid 4-ounce almond oil and a liquid 4-ounce coconut oil. We call these carrier oils. This is how you can best dilute your oils for when we make our roll-ons, and sometimes, you know, for using on your skin. You'll also get 2 ounces of pure sulfate-free beeswax. This is used in some of the recipes. And then 6 of the glass amber rollerball bottles and 6 of the 5 milliliter blend bottles. I've used all mine, so I'm showing you one that I've already made before. Okay? So you have everything you need when you subscribe to make the recipes. Now, sometimes there's little things like a coffee filter. Okay, they're not going to put that in here. But for instance, citrus face mist using the grapefruit, citrus burst, and juniper berry oils. The spray bottle that came in the box, hot distilled water, and a coffee filter. So this is to make like a refreshing spray to refresh, set your makeup, and balance skin's oil production. So that's pretty cool. There's always a roll-on every month that you can like blend the oils together and put in a bottle that you can roll on pulse points as needed. So this would be a great one if you're having kind of a down day. Radiate Joy roll-on. All you need is the coconut oil, the grapefruit and citrus burst oil blends, and the roll-on bottle. Applied to pulse points to support your inner and outward joy. Cucumber Soothing Eye Mask. Oh, that's what the cotton rounds are for. Okay, you need a small cucumber, 2 drops of the copaiba essential oil, almond oil, and then after you make it, you put it on the cotton rounds. Oh, it looks like you soak the cotton rounds in the mixture and then freeze them. Ooh, that sounds really nice. Citrus Summer Diffuser Blend. Grapefruit, citrus burst, and juniper berry. A blend is just, a blend of more than one oil, 2 or more oils that you just put together in the right proportion so that when you want that scent, you can just drip that into your diffuser. Citrus Summer Diffuser Blend. Sorry, that sounds really nice. There are 2 lip things. So we have a Sweet Lips Exfoliating Lip Scrub using grapefruit and copaiba, also almond oil, honey, and some sugar. That's really nice. Now that you do need your own little jar to put it in, or just a little, maybe like a little Tupperware type of thing. And then the Sweet Citrus Lip Balm. Here's where the little lip balm tubes come in. Beeswax, coconut oil, almond oil, citrus burst, essential oil blend. You do have to use a double boiler to melt your beeswax, so I won't be making that one on camera, but just know that they take a lot of time and effort and really give you some quality recipes to use the oils, and also give you a nice variety of oils and supplies to, like I said, help make your home as toxin-free as possible so you can live your best life. Let's see, what else did I want to show you? I haven't mentioned this in the last couple months, but 13% of every sale always goes towards an organization that works to fight sex trafficking. So this one is Sojourn House, to help bring an end to human trafficking. So it tells you a little bit. This one is based in Indiana, which is not far from Simply Earth's base in Wisconsin. They work by supporting women recovering from the trauma of addiction, abuse, and exploitation. So that's another reason that I just love Simply Earth, that they're always giving back and really trying to support women in all different walks of life. Let's see. So I always like to give a preview of next month's box, but I'm going to do that after we make a couple of these. So let's make the Radiate Joy roll-on. Trying to see what I can make quick for you guys. And I'm going to find another bottle to put this in. Citrus Summer Diffuser Blend. Just for sake of being on camera, it's kind of hard to do some of these other things with, you know, boiling or melting beeswax and things like that. So You know what? We'll do the Citrus Face Mist. Maybe we'll do that instead of the diffuser blend. We'll do Radiate Joy Roll-On and the Citrus Face Mist. All right, I gotta go get some hot water and cut out my little labels they always give you for your 6 oils and also for what you're going to make. So I'll be right back. Okay, to make our citrus face mist, it said first we need a 1/4 cup of hot water, which I have in here. And then we're going to add just 2 drops of grapefruit, 2 drops of citrus burst, 1 drop of juniper berry, and then we need to let it sit until it's cooled to room temperature. So I'm going to do that first so that we can let that sit while we make the other ones. So here's grapefruit. Love that. 2 drops. All right. And 2 drops of citrus burst. And 1 drop of juniper berry. Oh, I love that smell. That smells really, really good. All right, so it says to cover it. So I'm going to quick give it a little stir. What am I going to use? Here we go. A little stir. All right, and then I'm going to cover it and let it sit for, like it said, 20 minutes. Let's use our box here to cover it. That'll be good. All right, so while that is sitting, let's move on to the Radiate Joy Roll-On. We're going to use one of these roll-on bottles. We're going to use our coconut oil, but first we're going to put in 2 drops of grapefruit and 4 drops of citrus burst. So here is my grapefruit. Two drops. This is why the labels are great, so you can make sure you get the correct lid onto the correct bottle. And 4 drops of citrus burst. Remember, this is a blend that has lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, and bergamot. So there's a little bit of grapefruit in this one too. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then basically you just fill the rest of the bottle with your coconut oil. Sometimes they use almond oil. I just squeeze it in until my bottle is full at the straight part till right before it curves. Okay, then actually I like to put my finger over to mix it because then it gives me a little bit of oil on my finger to kind of prime the metal ball there. Helps it move around a little better. All right, get that in there all the way. And then you have your lid. All right, so now so that we remember what's in here, remember we have those labels just like on our oil bottles. They make them also for the recipes. So that says Radiate Joy on top, but I really love these for the roll-ons and the blends because it just looks so professional. It gives you your directions and reminds you what oils are inside of it and any cautions for children or pets. So peel this off, and these fit on the side like this. Wrap it around, and there you go. You're ready to carry this with you in your purse or your bag. And if you need a little pick-me-up, this is a great natural way to do that. Pulse points, so usually I do my wrists and rub them together, and then that spot behind the ears. So that is the Radiate Roll-On. All right, please let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions about the essential oils boxes, and then let's get back to finish up our face mist. Okay, we're back. Our citrus face mist is to room temperature now, so we're going to add it to our little spray bottle. You can see I already put the label on that they gave us, and I'm going to try to do this really slowly so as not to spill all over the table. All right, I got it filled all the way to the top. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, then you just put your sprayer back in and you are ready to go for a little uplift, set your makeup, refresh you for the day. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this preview of the August Simply Earth box. Please, like I said, let me know if you have any questions. I've been doing these for maybe about 9 months now. I can't quite remember. And I absolutely love them. I've learned so much about essential oils just from the recipes that they give and also the variety of oils. So thanks so much, and we'll see you next time. But wait, before we go, I promised you a sneak peek of next month's box, so this will be for September's box. The theme is You Stinker, and it's going to be all about fighting odors without using toxic chemicals. So the 4 oils we'll get will be Defender Blend, Clove, Lemon Eucalyptus, and Blood Orange. And we're going to make some things like a drawer deodorizer, diffuser blend, roll-on, and 3 more recipes. So make sure you come back towards the end of August to see the unboxing of the September box. Again, if you're interested in subscribing to these boxes, that information is all in the description box below. Thanks!